bananas. Today the Hindu headlines for you from Chennai. Process on to amend criminal laws government. Clarify stand on criminalizing marital rape, say left parties. ₹3,358 crore in MG Narega wages not paid. Government reply in RS comes amid cut in budget allocation. Fitch rating flags high fiscal deficit target. Electoral bonds worth 1,213 crore sold in January. It is double the figure of April 2021. 7 idols seized, 2 police among forehead. Region. UT will ask for share in river linking project. Puducherry has requested the centre to allocate 7 TMC under the project, says PWD Minister. A pro-growth budget, CM. He wants centre to step up assistance. Campaigning for water conservation. Man arrested on charges of rape murder. Special teams to trace killer of DMK member. Selvam was murdered by gang in Madipakam. Infinite strike by electricity workers enters second day. Delegation of Congress, DMK, CPI and CPIM leaders meets CM. Department of Post stick to customers. Add customers. Secure release of fisherman Rangasamy. 4 senior officers to be promoted as DGPs. Highest single day toll yet as UT records 6 deaths. Webinar on cancer care during COVID-19. Tamil Nadu. Fresh cases fall below 15,000 mark. 8 districts report fewer than 100 cases each. 37 persons die of infections. 24,576 persons discharged. Kodanath case, accused files petition to return to prison. He claims it was difficult to fulfill bail condition. 7 idols seized, 2 policemen among 4 held. Budget will generate a renewed hope. States borrowing less than indicates so far in Q4 2020-22. Borrowing may be lower due to improved cash position. Infra outlay will create employment. Budget 2022, no relief for middle class, says Allegri. No scheme for job creation. Tanu was released as merit list for 2021 to 2022. IIT professors research ways of reducing waste in factories. Frugal manufacturing can cut cost. HC. High Court directs state to frame scheme for removing Simai Karuvelan. Grants 2 weeks time suggest use of funds and workforce under MG Naregas. At C. High Court debars litigant from filling PILs for 2 years. So, Sasikala, 2 senior officers charge sheeted. She was illegally provided amenities while serving sentence. AP at C. High Court objects to ban on stage play. Sindhamani. Court seeks affidavits by February 7. Weather watch. Amravati is AP capital, says Nityanand Roy. Center can only act as coordinating agency in division of assets between divided state ministers. Editorial. There is a discourse shift in Uttar Pradesh. Economic hardship, chronic unemployment and farm distress appear to be at the center of public discussion. Imperial excess. Governors must work within constitutional parameters, not as agents of center. A dose of realism. This is prevention with COVID. Appropriate behavior and vaccination is still necessary. Inc. India Britain Free Trade. Unlock new opportunity. There are good economic and strategic reasons for an FTA that will spell many opportunities for both countries. Opt. Creating jobs by increasing capex. The trust on capital expenditure is laudable, but it comes with some caveats and risk. Feminist manifest. The Congress in UP has made a push to recognize the electoral value of women and in turn women recognizes it. Intensifying, but the center refuses to relent. COVID-19 vaccination rate drops. From the achievers, 50 years ago, disliked the term backward classes. 100 years ago, Malabar situation. World. Between the two Olympics, China has seen a huge shift in every sense. China is going into the 2022 Olympics with a greater sense of anxiety and with a sense that things may not be going as they would wish it to. US NATO offer trust building steps to Russia, say leaked files. However, West reiterates that Ukraine has right to apply to join lines. Exim Bank Sri Lanka signs $500 MN loan agreement. At least 40 killed in DR Congo Machit attack. Afghan varsities see women trickling in universities reopen under Taliban. US sends military aid to UAE after Houthi attacks. Warship fighter jets part of package. Business. Budget modes tweaks to GST law. Tighten input tax claims. Suppliers' failure to remit taxes could result in credits being blocked. Greater capital expenditure is the highlight of the budget. FM has focused on sustaining momentum. Except states to fully tap 1 lakh crore loan crops. FM. States can pitch own priority projects for interest-free loan. HDFC Q3 net rises 11% on higher core income. Strong demand for home loans. Wheels India net rises 72% on exports. BPCL government stake sale may be delayed. Aluminium sector says coal stock critically low. Industry seeks 25 to 30 racks a day. Thanks for watching. Learning today, leading tomorrow.